Hi, it's Tasha from WTI, and I want to share with you an amazing blender to have. It's the OmniBlend 5 blender.
This blender is high quality. It has protector over the buttons. It's very sturdy. It has low, medium, high. It also has a pulse. Also gives you second increments where it will go through low, medium, high, 60 seconds low, medium, high, and 90 seconds low, medium, high. Also, I love that the parts are really strong and sturdy, and I know that's going to last me a long time. It has a stir stick that doesn't reach the bottom. No worry about it cutting. Let's put in the ingredients and then you can see how it sounds through each of the modes. As you saw, it's really nice and the lid is really snug. Nothing is coming out unless I take off the lid. And just the smoothness of the puree is really what I was looking for in a blender, depending on what ingredients I was using. So I'm so happy that I got this, and I definitely recommend it for anyone.
This blender is essential to my kitchen, and I love having it. I hope you do too. That's my point of view.